Hi, in this video we will discuss few more important questions from the topic circles. First question is, a secant PAB is drawn from an external point P to the circle. See, this is the circle, this is the secant, okay, external point P, this PAB is a secant with a center O intersecting it at A and B, okay. If OP is equal to 17, this OP is equal to 17 centimeters, PA is equal to 12 and PB is equal to 22.5 centimeters. What is the radius of the circle? So here we will extend. So here we will extend this PO. Okay. Now we will take this point as C and this point as D. Okay. So we have a formula here. PD into PC is equal to PA into PB. Okay. So we'll just substitute the values in this formula. We'll get the answer. So how can we write PD here? PD can be written as, see this DO and OC, these are radius. Okay. PD can be written as 17 minus R. Okay. This is PD and what can we write PC? It is 17 plus R. So we'll just substitute in this formula. It is 17 minus R into 17 plus R is equal to PA is 12 and PB is 22.5. Okay, 22.5 into 12 is what? It is 12 can be written as 2 into 6. So 22.5 into 2 is 45 into 6. It is what? 90 into 3, it is 270. 17 square is 289 minus R square. So R square is equal to 289 minus 270. It is 19. R is equal to root 19. Radius is equal to root 19. Next one. A circular arc makes an angle 15 degrees at the center. This is the circle. This is the center. So there is an arc that makes 15 degrees at the center. This is the arc. It makes 15 degrees. The radius of the circular arc is given as 14 centimeters. This is the radius. What is the perimeter of the sector so formed? So for this sector, the perimeter is given as 2 pi r theta divided by 360. This is the perimeter of this arc. Okay. And how do we find the perimeter of the full sector? Okay. The perimeter of the arc plus radius. Okay. This radius and this radius, it is plus 2r. So we will just substitute the values in this formula. It is 2 pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14. Theta is 15. Okay, divided by 360 plus 2 into 14, it is 28. Okay, 7 into 2, and again 3 into 5, 3 into 120. 2 into 15. Okay, it is 11 by 3 plus 28. 11 by 3 is 3.66 plus 28. It is 31.66. Okay, fourth option. Next one, two circles of radius 18 centimeters and 12 centimeters touch each other externally. Okay, this is 18 centimeters and this is 12 centimeters radius. Okay, these two circles touch each other. Find the length of the direct common tangent. What is the formula of direct common tangent? It is root of d square minus of r1 minus r2 whole square. Here d is the distance between the two radius. Okay, and r1 is the first radius circle. Okay, r2 is the radius of the second circle. And what is the formula for transverse common tangent? It is square root of d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Okay, now we'll just substitute the values in this formula. It is square root of d is what? it is 18 plus 12, it is 30 square, minus of R1 is 18 minus 12 whole square. This 30 square minus 6 square. A square minus b square, it is a plus b into a minus b. It is 12 root 6. Okay, third option. Next one, x, y, z are 3 points on a plane with xy is equal to 11 centimeters, yz is equal to 13 and xz is equal to 24 centimeters. So we'll take here 3 lines here. It is xy is equal to 11 and yz is equal to 13 and xz is equal to 24. Okay, we have taken the values here and we have drawn a triangle, but can the triangle be formed here? No, the triangle cannot be formed here because sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Okay, and here if we see xy plus yz is equal to what? 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. This is equal to the third side. Okay, in this case these 3 points lie on a straight line. Okay, here x, y and z. Okay, 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. Okay, for the triangle to be formed, this condition should be necessary. Sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side. So here 0 number of triangles travel through these 3 points. Okay, next one, a chord of the larger among two concentric circles. Two concentric circles means two circles that have same centers. Okay, is of length 20 centimeters. See the chord, this is the chord for the bigger circle. This is of the length 20 centimeters and it is the tangent to the smaller circle. Okay, this chord is the tangent to the smaller circle. Okay, what is the area of the annular portion between these two circles? So we have to find the area of this shaded region. How can we find it? See here, we'll take the radius of bigger circle as r, bigger r, capital R, and the radius of the smaller circle as small r. Okay, now by using the Pythagoras theorem, we know that r square is equal to r square, small r square plus, what is this? Here we'll name as AB. See, okay, what is AB? It is 20 divided by 2, it is 10 square. So r square minus r square is equal to 10 square. Okay, and what is the area of the circle? It is pi r square. This is the area of the circle. And what is the area of the bigger circle? It is pi r square. And area of the smaller circle? It is pi small r square. So the area of this annular portion between the two circles is what? The area between the two circles is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Okay, see this. Area of this bigger circle minus this smaller circle will get this area. Okay, it is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. So take pi common. It is capital R square minus small r square. It is pi into, we have this value here, it is 10 square. So it is 100 pi. So the area of this region is, of this shaded region is 100 pi. First option. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.